Hi, Mr. Ranger here today, and we are going to be multiplying integers. So integers are just whole numbers, but they include negatives and positives. So here I kind of mixed up some negatives in my positives, and we're going to work through them. So the key here to understand is a negative times a negative is a positive. And that's a little strange to understand, but if we think of negative as the opposite of the opposite is back to the original. So if I think of a negative, that's a positive. Just one negative, it'll turn out negative. So here, a negative times a positive is a negative. So 2 times 4 is 8. And because I only have one negative, it is negative 8. Here, negative 2 times negative 2. I can think of this negative canceling out that negative. So really, these cancel each other out. And this is just 2 times 2, which is 4. Here we have 4 times negative 3 times 2. And it actually does not matter the order in which we multiply these, thanks to the associative property, or the commutative property, I'm sorry, mistalk there. But 4 times 3 would just be a 12, but one of them is negative, so that's a negative 12. 2 times 12 is 24, so altogether this is negative 24. You can actually multiply these all together and just count up your negatives. For instance here, we only have one negative, so our answer is negative. Now for the fourth problem, 2 times 2 times 2, we have negative 2 times negative 2 times negative 2. That's 3 negatives. So 2 of them cancel. I'll be left with a positive here. And then we have a negative. So then we have a positive times negative, which will turn this negative. So an odd number of negatives will turn out negative. 2 times 2 is 4, times 2 is 8. So this is actually negative 8. I know I went through that rather quickly, but if you have any other questions, don't hesitate to email me. Thank you.